Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are going to study class 7th maths. Topic is algebraic expression exercise 8b. Today we will study question number 3. Question number 1 and 2 we have discussed already in previous video. So we are going to start question number 3. That is simplify these algebraic expressions. First part of this question is 2a square multiply by 2a cube. Now open the square. Square of 2 is 4 and a square will be written as a square multiply by this cube will be applied to both terms 2 and a. Cube of 2 is 8 and here is a cube. Now multiply for a square with 8a square. We will multiply coefficients of these both 4 and 8. 8 4s are 32. And when we multiply a square by a cube, their powers will be added, because when we are multiplying two numbers with same basis, their powers will be added. So this will become a raised to power 2 plus 3, that is a raised to power 5. Answer is 32 a raised to power 5. Now see second part, minus 2x raised to power 6 and whole cube. So in first step we apply this cube to both these numbers minus 2 and x6. So cube of minus 2 is minus 8. Cube mean minus 2 multiplied by minus 2 multiplied by minus 2. And x raised to power 6 into 3. This will become x raised to power 6 multiplied by 3, that is 18. So answer will be minus 8 x raised to power 18. This is required answer. Now see question number 3. 10x square multiply by 10x cube. Apply this square to both 10 and x and apply this cube to both 10 and this x. This will become square of 10, that is 100, and x square as it is multiply by cube of 10 is 1000. Cube mean 10 multiply by 10 multiply by 10. And x cube will be as it is. Now when we are going to multiply 100x square by 1000x cube, we will multiply these coefficients 100 with 1000. This will become 100,000, and x square multiply by x cube. These are going to be multiplied with same basis, so their powers will be added. There is power 2 and in this expression power is 3. So we get x raised to power 5. 2 plus 3 is 5. Now see question number 4. Minus 4ab square whole square multiply by 2a square b whole cube. Apply this square to all these terms minus 4a and b square, and this cube to 2a square b. Apply this. So we get minus 4 square a square b. This is b raised to power 2 and this is also 2. 2 multiplied by 2 will become 4. Similarly here this cube will of 2 cube multiply by a square and this 3. 2 multiplied by 3 will become a raised to power 6 and this is b cube. Now we are going to multiply these. 16 multiplied by 8. First of all multiply the coefficients of these expressions. 16 multiplied by 8 will be 128, and then similar terms a square and a6 having a basis similar but powers are different, and bases are same, powers will be added in multiplication. So this will become a raised to power 8 because there is 6 and there is 2 and there is 6. Similarly in b, this is b raised to power 4, this is b raised to power 3. When you are going to multiply them, these powers will be added. 4 plus 3 is 7. So your required answer is 128 a raised to power 8 and b raised to power 7. This is the last part of this question. Now we start Question number 4 of this exercise 8b. First part is simplify 2 into x plus 3. We apply here distributive law, that is this 2 will be distributed to x and 3. This will become 2 multiplied by x plus this plus will be as it is and 2 multiplied by 3. So 2 multiplied by x is equal to 2x and 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6. 2x plus 6 is required answer. Second part is a into 2 minus a. In this question, this a will be distributed to this whole expression, that is with 2 and minus a. So a multiplied by 2 minus this a will also multiplied by a. A multiplied by a. A multiplied by 2 will be written as 2a and a multiplied by a will become a square, because these are two numbers with same basis and power of this a is 1, power of this a is also 1. When we are going to multiply these terms, their powers will be added, so this will become a raised to power 2, that is a square. This is the answer of this part. Question number 3, x into y plus z. This means this x will be multiplied by whole expression, that is in brackets. So this x will be multiplied by y plus this plus sign of middle terms will remain as it is, and this x will be multiplied by z. This will become x multiplied by y will become xy plus x multiplied by z will become xz. Now see question number 4. 3a into a square minus 3a. So 3a will be multiplied the whole expression, that is in bracket. 3a will be multiplied by a square. This will become 3a multiplied by a square. This middle minus sign will be as it is, and then 3a will be multiplied by this 3a. Now multiply this 3a into a square. Now this a has power 1 and this a has power 2. So their powers will be added. This will become 3a cube minus 3 3s are 9 and a multiplied by a will become a square. So this is answer 3a cube minus 9a square. Now we study last part of this question, that is 5a into 4a square minus 7a minus 8. This 5a will be multiplied by this complete expression, that is in bracket 5a multiplied by 4a square, then minus 5a multiplied by 7a, then this minus sign, and 5a multiplied by 8. Now we are going to multiply these terms. 5a multiplied by 4a square. 5 into 4 will become 20. A into a square will become a cube. 5 into 7 will become 35. A into a will become a square. Minus 8 into 5 will become 40. 40a is this complete expression will be answered 20a cube minus 35a square minus 40a. Now we are going to study question number 5, that is multiply these expressions. Two terms, two algebraic expressions are given and we have to multiply these two algebraic expressions. In first question, first expression is a square minus b square and second expression is that is written after this comma ab. We have to multiply these two expressions. So we are going to multiply ab. We write this expression first and then a square minus b square. You can write a square minus b square first and ab after that term. It's your choice. Now this ab will be multiplied by whole term, that is in bracket whole expression. So ab will be multiplied by a square, then minus ab will be multiplied by b square, minus ab will be multiplied by this b square, ab into b square. Now when we are going to multiply ab by a square, this is a and this is a square. a multiplied by a square will become a cube because their powers will be added. Power of a is 1 here and 2 here. So 1 plus 2 will become a cube. And b will remain as it is minus. This is a. A is the only single value, will remain a. B and b square will become b cube. So this is the required answer. Now see second part. BC plus CA minus AB will multiplied by minus 2ABC. So we are going to multiply minus 2ABC with BC plus CA minus AB. So minus this 2ABC will be multiplied by all terms in this expressions. So this will become minus 2ABC multiplied by BC plus minus 2ABC multiplied by CA plus minus 2ABC multiplied by minus AB. Now we are going to multiply these terms. This minus 2, A will be as it is, B and B will become B square, C multiplied by C will become C square. Similarly here minus 2ABC into CA, minus 2 will be as it is, A and this A will become A square, B is only single term, this C and this C will become C square, plus minus minus will become plus, so the sign will be positive here, 2 as it is, A into A square, B into B, B square, and C is the only single term. So this is required answer of this question. Now see third part. 2p square q square minus 3p q cube plus 4q raised to power 4 multiplied by minus 2pqr. So we are going to multiply these terms. Minus 2pqr multiplied by this complete expression will be written in brackets. So now minus 2pqr will be multiplied by all the terms in this expressions. Minus 2pqr firstly multiplied by 2p square q square, this is, then minus 2pqr will be multiplied by 3pq cube, minus 2pqr will be multiplied by minus 3pq cube, then plus minus 2pqr will be multiplied by 4q raised to power 4. Now we are going to multiply all these terms. 2 into 2, 4. P and P square will become P cube. Q and Q square will become Q cube. And R is the only single term, will be as it is. Plus minus minus. 3 2s are 6. P into P, P square. Q into Q cube will become Q raised to power 4. And this R will be as it is. Minus, this plus minus will be minus. 4 2s are 8. P as it is. Q and Q raised to power 4. This is Q raised to power 1. This is Q raised to power 4. So will become Q raised to power 5. And R is the only single term. So this complete expression is the answer of these two multiplications. Now question number 4 of this. Minus 3 by 8 x raised to power 5 y cube z multiply by 16 x y z. So write this first term, minus 3 by 8 x raised to power 5 y cube z multiply by, we are going to multiply these two terms that are written separated by commas. So we write here multiplication sign, 16xyz. Now write the coefficients of these two expressions with the same place, minus 3 by 8 and 16. Then x raised to power 5 and this is x, y cube, this is y, z and z. We like the similar place x values, y values and z values. Now we solve this. X 2s are 16. There will be 2. 3 2s are 6. This is minus 6. X raised to power 5 and x this will become x6, y cube and y will become y4, z and z raised to power 1, z raised to power 1, their powers will be added. So this will become z square. So multiplication of these two numbers will be this.